Obsidian Beginner's Tutorial, How to Use Obsidian app for Productive Note-taking. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about Obsidian, and we are going to try and take down our notes, our thoughts in our heads using this application. Now, Obsidian is basically an innovative software. It's a platform where you can connect your ideas, where you can take down notes, or basically everything that is in your head, so that once you decide to, use them at a later date, you can actually just access them right here. So to install this, there are a couple of ways you can install this from Windows Store if you're using Windows. And I'm not sure about Mac because I'm not using Mac, but it should be the same. And the app should also look the same as well. And yeah, basically, this is how it looks like on Mac as well. Now you can see here a couple of buttons. Don't be overwhelmed. These are just simple buttons, but I want you to focus here on this particular button right here that says new note. So this is what we're going to do, or what we're going to use to create on a new note. So I want you guys to click this, and immediately you can change the title of the note right over here. So let's just say note number 1. I'm just gonna hit enter, and maybe let me just say I'm going to note about NFT or about cryptocurrencies or something like that. So cryptocurrencies are a new way to make money, and there are a couple of ways to do this. All right, let's just say this is the first note, right? Now, next is where you're gonna do like a second note or something. But let me just go ahead and put on one more note, and let me just edit the title here. And let's say I'm gonna create a note about NFT. NFTs are a good way to invest using your cryptocurrency. Or what can you do? You can just this is where the magic happens. Let me just type in bracket right here, and as you can see, you can link the notes that we have here. Like for example, the note number 1. And once you click the note number 1, it will then link to your note number 1, which is cryptocurrencies. So NFTs are a good way to invest using your, or you can just so that it'll be a lot clearer. Cryptocurrencies. There you go. Always update. Now let's go to the NFT note. You can see that it's already linked. And we can always go on ahead. NFTs are a good way to invest using your NFTs. Now for this next note, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and NFT platforms. Go. Say there are a couple of platforms where you can buy and sell. Then we're gonna link again the NFT, yeah, just bracket NFT. So when you wanna like know what this is about, you can just go ahead and expand this, and you can link mention here. Unlinked mentions, you can also check them out here, but yeah, it's supposed to be shown up here. Now if we go ahead and check out the graph view, we can check out how many, the thoughts that we have connected together. Like for example, we've created this one cryptocurrencies first, and then we related it with NFT, and then we related it with the NFT platform. Now you can also add in like a potential note here, like for example, what you want to do, yeah, flipping NFT. Sorry about that. You can immediately just type in bracket bracket. There you go, and just type in whatever you want. Like for example, I'm flipping NFT. Now, maybe this is a concept that you only know, which is like to make a money on the NFT space, you should learn how to flip NFTs. And flipping NFTs, they have a couple of techniques to do this. Now, if you're going to decide to share this note to someone else in the future, and that person asks what this note is, then you can go ahead and add in additional details about this, right? And then is the way to make money on the NFT space, something like that. And once you want to add in a new note here, you can just create this file. And as you can see, it's already right here in the sidebar. And it's already a new link mention right here. So once you go back here to the NFT, you can right click this and you can open link. And then you can see here that thoughts are linked together. Now, having a platform like this is a revolutionary move when it comes to the IT space, because we've developed a way to link our thoughts not only, on our minds, but we actually have a tangible visual view of our thoughts, and that makes us more productive. That makes our ideas a lot more connected. Now let's go back to the graph view. And as you can see here, as we add in notes, there are the more that we actually the more dots you see here on the graph. Like for example, we started here and we made a connection here, and then we made a connection here, and then lastly we made a connection on flipping NFT. Yeah. And yep. Basically, this is how Obsidian Notes works. It's a beginner's tutorial, but yeah, I hope I mentioned the importance of Obsidian and basically how you can start using it on a daily basis to, transport your ideas into this visual overview. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope it has been helpful, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. But if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give this video a like. See you again on the next video. Peace out.